In this video, we are going to look at wildcards while filtering our data in Excel. Let me tell you one more thing, that you can add multiple filters to your header. Like for example, if you are using age bracket, okay, and you want number filters like age above 25, you can go and select age above 25. This one filter is being used here. Now for example, you want state to be maybe Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so like we can do select and tick mark this Andhra Pradesh. So now you will see that you are seeing data of age bracket 25 and state Andhra Pradesh. So likewise, you can also change or select filter to other header also. Okay, like for example, we can also choose for current status, nationality, type of transmission, etc. Now let's clear this filter, clear this age bracket and this also. Now what is wildcard? Basically like think that this Excel sheet has been given by some X person, maybe some any random person, okay, and he's telling me that there is an input of maybe you can take Jaipur patient, but the Jaipur has been misspelled. Okay, so what he has input, that he don't know, neither me. So we need to find that particular misspell also. So that's why we can put by our oneself one. Like for example, if we're gonna put this maybe let's put Jalpur or Jagpur, something like that. Yeah. So now we have input the spelling of Jaipur as Jagpur. Now we have filter option over here where we can use text filter and we can use this equal, but it will only show us Jaipur with correct spelling. It will not show us Jaipur which we have done a spelling error mistake in this state name. City name. Okay, so what to do now, like how to do that, like is there any other option? So over here we gonna use wildcard. Okay, this custom filter we're gonna click this custom filter and you can see that it is showing us the city name, like you're gonna select. So if we're gonna write Jaipur and click OK, then it will only show us Jaipur with correct name. But if you will see this line, use question mark to represent any single character. So if there is any mistake you can find or you can think about, you can put this question mark, but remember this is only for single character. This is not for series of character. Like if you have misspelled only one character, then only you can use question mark. So for example, we have used Jagpur, like instead of I we have used K. Okay, and if I will hit OK, then it will shows us all the Jaipur with spelling mistake also. Okay, but what we need to do over here, instead of K we need to put question mark. Okay, yeah. So now if I click OK, then it will shows us Jaipur and also with misspelled Jaipur city name. Okay, let's click OK. Now you can see whole Jaipur is showing and also it's showing us Jagpur. Okay, so now we will clear the filter. Okay, so we'll go again to this filter. Okay, this custom filter. Now as we have earlier put Jaipur as Jagpur, okay, so like for example I'm telling, like if there is a missing character, or you can say there is two unknown character which you don't know, so then at that time what you need to do? So let's take an example. Close this, keep this Jagpur as maybe JLK Pur. Okay, now we'll go again to this text filter, this custom filter, and now this time we'll put J and will put question mark, we'll put two question mark this time, because we don't know two character of this city name. Okay, now we'll put, now when I will click this OK, you will see we are getting all the city name which is corrected like Jaipur, and also we are getting misspelled city name. So we'll click OK, and now you can see, we can see this JLK Pur also. Okay, I think you understand this part. Let's clear this filter. So now let's go to second option available, but before that let's correct this spelling of Jaipur. Click enter. Now let's go to maybe now detected state. Okay, this text filter, after that custom filter. Now you can see that first option we have already used, use question mark to represent any single character. Now second option is use star to represent any series of character. Like for example, if you have certain character, you can say to your state name, like first we have selected this state, or maybe location, any location or any value, you have that particular input to that location, then you need to put over here with star mark. You can, I will give you an example, like for example Jammu and Kashmir, we have and in between them, so we know that we are having and in between that misspelled character. Okay, so we can input in this way, star, we can put and again star, and now what it will do, it will find you all the location having and in between, maybe in between or before or after, it doesn't matter. It will show you all the location having A and D inside its letter. Okay, now click OK. Now you can see that Jammu and Kashmir is there and is in between, Andhra Pradesh and is in front. So you can see that it doesn't matter where is this and is being represented, like maybe in middle, in front, or maybe also in end. So it really doesn't matter, it just shows you all the character, all the locations having an input to its particular value. Okay, so this is the way it will show you the list. Okay, now let's take another example so it will get cleared for you. Okay, we'll clear this filter, and now we'll again go to text filter, but before that let's see which character or which letter we should take. Okay, so like for example let's take Pradesh. Okay, so if we want Pradesh to be shown, then we can go, one of the option is contains, so any location contains Pradesh, we can use this. Okay, but we're gonna use custom filter now, and like if we want any location having Pradesh after that, then we're gonna use in this way, like star Pradesh. So any location having Pradesh at the end, okay, then we're gonna use in this way. So like star, you can see that everything before this Pradesh will be shown, but anything which is after this Pradesh will not be shown. Okay, understand? But if you want that Pradesh can be put in between or front or after, doesn't matter, then you need to put again one star mark over here. Then what it will do, it will not see that where is Pradesh. It will just show you all the location. Maybe Pradesh can be in starting, middle, or also at end. But over here in this location column, we know that Pradesh is written at the end only. So we gonna just put one star and gonna put this Pradesh over here. And when we will click OK, we gonna see that anything having Pradesh is being shown in the list. Okay, but you can see that character over here, like this is 3 to 5 characters, and Andhra Pradesh is of I think 6 characters. Okay, so still it is showing, like it doesn't matter how much character is being provided in this location. Okay, so this is the way you filter it out. Let's clear this filter. Okay, so this is the way you find how to custom filter your data, like whatever you need to find, whether it is misspelled or maybe you can say wrong input of the data, then also you can find with the help of custom filter. Okay, I hope you all understand this. See you in next lecture. Thank you.